back to my channel, and for today's video I have something really interesting for you guys. Now I'm going to talk about all things related to pimples, acne and how can you deal with it and my acne story. So let's get started. Just to give you a background of what happens and what it actually is and how does it happen. Basically, our skin has little openings called pores. Now when these pores get blocked with bacteria or oil or dirt, makeup, anything, it results in a pimple or a zit, and when you have a lot of this, it's called acne. Now what happened with me was that recently, since the past 6-7 months, I was facing a lot of acne. I've never had acne issues in my entire teenage life, nor in my school days, but suddenly out of nowhere I had acne. Okay, so basically what you need to do is when you start facing this problem, it's not like a life and death problem, it's just a small thing which we can conquer. So once you start facing this problem, you need to figure out what you've changed. It may be your lifestyle, it may be your sleeping habits, it may be your stress, it may be your food, your environment, anything of that sort. Make a note of it, see what you've changed in your life, and you'll probably come to know why this happened. For me, I suddenly started using a lot of makeup. Like, I used to do makeup, I used to love makeup, but that was on an occasional basis. But because I have to shoot every day, I have to make videos every day, so mostly my makeup schedule had changed from occasionally to doing it every day. So as I said, when your pores is clogged with makeup, dirt or anything of that sort, it results in acne. And probably I was not cleaning up my makeup very well, or I was keeping it for way too long. So I noticed that and I started to change it. So the first thing that you need to do is cleanse your face properly in the morning and at night, and especially if you have on makeup, then make sure you scrub it off and remove all the makeup off your face, because that's the most important thing you need to do to get your pores clean and to not have acne. The next thing that you need to do is use everything clean. Make sure your brushes are clean, make sure all your makeup brushes, your sponges, everything is clean. You could also keep a spray bottle, put a little bit of tea tree oil in it and make a spray. So every time you use it, you can just spritz it on your brush and then use it. So you'll have an antibacterial brush or sponge to use each time, and make sure you clean it at regular intervals. The next thing that I've started doing is that I have started using paper tissues instead of towel. Now what happens is, in a damp environment, especially when it's monsoon, when you keep your towel wet, it is a place or a ground for bacteria to grow. So I've stopped using towels, to specifically wipe my face off. I use paper tissues instead, so that has also helped me. The other thing that you need to take care of is to keep your stomach clean, because when you have a clean stomach, everything shows. So make sure you gulp at least 3 to 4 liters of water. And I know it's a little difficult in the first place. I know you cannot gulp so much of water in just a day's time. It'll take time, but you need to train yourself. Train it with like 1 bottle of water, then increase it to 1.5, and then gradually come to 3-4 liters of water every day. But you will get there, and once you do, you'll notice the change and the glow that you see on your skin. Now basically what water does, it cleanses your entire body. So it's like a flush which flushes all the toxins out of your body. So that will give you a fresh glow and a clear skin gradually. It's not going to happen in seconds. It's going to take time, so be patient. It took me 7 months to get rid of all of this, and I still have acne marks. So it's going to take time, guys. You need to be patient. So for me, it was makeup and the fact that I was not cleansing my skin well. For others, it might be body heat. There are possibilities that due to your body heat, you might have boils or pimples on your face, back, arms, anywhere. So make sure you avoid eating things which would increase your body heat, like eggs, even chicken. So make sure, I'm not saying stop eating it, but reduce your intake of it for a while so that you can control your acne and you can judge whether that is helping you or not. So after trial and error and experimenting with different products, I have like 3 to 4 products that were my best buddies throughout this and actually worked, and I'm going to share those products with you. But before that, I'm going to tell you, I had acne on both my cheek, left and right. Now I only have like acne scar marks which are also fading, and one new one here. The other thing that I used is a couple of natural face masks. I'm going to write a blog on it on what all ingredients you need and how to make it. So I'm going to probably link it somewhere here, or you'll find it on my Instagram. Just stay tuned for that. I'm definitely going to do that for you. So now moving on to the products that actually help me. First comes cleansing. Now this is the Patanjali's Neem and Tulsi face wash. It actually helped me, guys. I'm not even kidding. This has neem and tulsi, and you guys know neem is a disinfectant. It's an antibacterial. So is tulsi, and both of these ingredients help a lot in calming my acne down. I'm not saying it got rid of the acne marks, but this actually helped in calming my acne down. The other good part about this is that it does not have any harsh chemicals, so it does not get rid of the natural oil that your skin secretes and does not make it dry, so that's a good part. The next thing that I used to do after wiping off my face with tissues, if you don't want to use tissues, you could always use clean towels to do so. I used to spritz my face with rose water. You could use any rose water, trust me guys, it's not about one particular brand or the other. The one that I have with me is from Kama. Now why rose water is important? Because A, it tones your skin, B, it gives you a very fresh glow, C, even this is antibacterial. So anything and everything that is antibacterial around you is your buddy during these days. So I used to spritz it on my face after cleansing. The next thing that I use is Patanjali's aloe vera gel. Now guys, I cannot tell you how much this has helped me in changing my acne situation. I'm not even kidding. So aloe vera basically helps improve the condition of your skin. It helps reduce acne. It also helps reduce acne scars. So it's like a all-rounder for everything. I used to use this each time I used to cleanse my face and wipe it off, spritz rose water and do all of that. I used to use this and then move on to anything else if I have to do makeup or anything. And at night I used to just use this and sleep off. It's amazing to even consume aloe vera. So anything related to aloe vera which is around you, please take it, use it on your skin, and it'll do wonders to your skin. Now the next and the most important thing, which was a total game changer for me, was this little baby here. This is called Clear Gel. I used to apply this and keep it overnight. If I had like a really painful pimple, it will calm it down. It would calm the redness the next day. So this was like an instant fix for me for acne and pimple issues, and it really helped me a lot, especially to get rid of that pain and redness. So this has been my baby ever since. This is my 4th tube, I think, 3rd or 4th tube of Clear Gel, and I've been loving this. And I'm not gonna lie, I tried a lot of products. I tried high-end products also and tried most of it, but somehow it didn't work for me. Maybe probably because of my skin type or any other reasons, I don't know. But these 4 things did wonders to my skin, and I'm glad that I got introduced to it, and I'm so happy that I can introduce these to you as well. So because these 4 guys helped me so much in curbing my acne issues, I want to help you guys as well. I'm going to pick out 2 winners and send out these hampers to you guys so that it helps you curb your acne issues as well. So all you have to do is follow the rules mentioned in the description box and you can win yourself a anti-acne hamper. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and all of these things that we spoke about was helpful to you. I'll be glad if it was in any manner possible. So I'm gonna see you with another such video like this, and make sure you leave your video suggestion in the comment box, and also don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I'm gonna see you super soon. Bye guys!